Fusion 360's primitive command allows us to create solid models from primitive shapes. To create a solid model from primitives, make sure that you are in the Model workspace, come up to Create. In this case, I will choose Box. Select a plane to start your primitive, select a start point, and select a second point. You can also add values by adding them directly. You can use the Tab key to tab from one dialog to the next. And before I hit Return, I will tab once more. This will allow me to place the box in any direction. Finally, I can use the manipulator to set the height or enter a value directly. By default, Fusion will assume that I want to create a new body. I will choose OK. I can edit this body by creating more primitives. I will go back to Create and choose Cylinder. I will choose a start plane for my cylinder and a start point. I can now drag the manipulator to change its size or type of value into the dialog. Fusion will assume that this is a join operation. A join operation will add this feature to my body. A cut operation will remove this feature from my existing body. An intersect operation will leave the intersection between the two bodies. I can also create a new body or new component. By dragging the manipulator to become a negative value, Fusion will assume I want to cut material from the body. I can choose OK when I am done, or right-click and choose OK. I will create one last primitive. In this case, I will create a primitive away from my original body. I will choose OK. You can see that we have two new bodies added to the tree, one created from these two features and one created from this last feature. That concludes this video on Fusion 360's primitive commands.